Go.
Hi, welcome to the mathcenter.com. We are continuing with our solutions to the mathematics principle 9794/01 Pure Maths 1. The exam paper is the one that came out May-June 2015 CIE exams, okay, the Cambridge International exams. We are at question number 5. For the actual question, please go to the website and download the exam paper. I've paraphrased the question so that we can just deal with the solution. We are given the equation of a circle, x squared minus 6x plus y squared minus 4y equals to 12. Again, we're given the equation of a circle. We asked to show that the center is 3, 2, and we asked to find the radius. That's the first part. And then they tell you after that PQ is the diameter, and they gave us the coordinates of P, and they ask you to find the equation of PQ. Okay, and they want the answer in the form AX plus BY equals to C. Okay, and then they tell you the last part, another diameter passes through the point 0.06, and you asked to show that that diameter is perpendicular to PQ. So let's start. Let's start with x squared minus 6x plus y squared minus 4y equals to 12. We are trying to write it in the form x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals to r squared, where we have hk center and radius r. That's what we're going to do, okay? We want to write it in the form x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals to r squared, so that we can deduce the center is hk and the radius is r. So, what's the idea here? Completing the squares. So I have got minus 6, half of that will be minus 3. Done that part. And then I have, this is minus 4, half of that. Okay, so I'm completing the squares. So I have negative 6 here, so negative 3 is inside, and then I need to take off the square of this, and I have negative 4 here, so I have negative 2, take away the square of this, and now let's clean that up. I have x minus 3 squared plus y minus 2 squared. Take the 9 and the 4 to the right hand side, so 12 plus 4 is 16 plus 9 is 25, which is 5 squared, and from here and here the center is 3, 2, and the radius is 5. Okay, so we asked to show the center is 3, 2, done, and they ask you to give the radius. It is 5. Okay, next they tell us that PQ is the diameter, and they gave us the coordinates of P, negative 1, negative 1, and we are asked to write the equation of PQ. So let's do that. Let me draw a picture. Okay, let me draw a picture here, then we'll work on the right. Okay, I have a circle. Let's say I have a diameter, PQ. I have my center, which is 3, 2. P they gave me, negative 1, negative 1. So let's go ahead and write the equation of PQ. To write the equation of a line, we need the gradient and a point that lies on it. Okay, so let's write the gradient. Let me call the center O. Okay, so I need the gradient, so MOP, excuse me, the gradient of OP, y2 minus y1, and x2 minus x1, I have 3 over 4. Okay, 2 minus minus 1 is 3, 3 minus minus 1 is 4. So I have the gradient, I can write the equation very easily. Y minus y1, okay, y minus y1 equals to the gradient x minus x1. Okay, y minus y1 equals to the gradient x minus x1. So I have 4y minus 8 equals 3x minus 9. Cleaning this up, that's easy for us to do, yeah? 4y minus 8 will be 3x minus 9. So let's go ahead and write it as, how do they want it? Ax plus by. So I have got 3x minus 4y equals to 9 minus 8 is 1. Let me check that again. I want the answer in this form, ax plus by, so I took the 4y to this side, so it's 3x minus 4y, that's fine. And I took the 9 to the left, so it's 9 minus 8, 1. So we have got the answer as 3x minus 4y equals to 1. So we are at the last stretch. Another diameter passes through 0, 6. And we have to show the diameter is perpendicular to PQ. So let me write the equation of the circle here again. Okay, so now I don't need this. Let me keep the gradient of OP. Okay. This is the equation of the circle, x minus 3 squared plus y minus 2 squared equals to 5 squared. We just want to make sure that we want to see where this point is located, 0, 6. Does it lie on the circle? X is 0, so when x is 0, this is 9. And then 6 minus 2 is 4. 4 minus, let me check that again, 6 minus 2 is 4. 4 squared is 16. 16 plus 9. So, looks like 0, 6 lies on the circle. So, let's draw that. Let me call that point S. Okay? I'm calling this point 0, 6 S. I just made sure that S lies on the circle by making sure that it satisfies the equation of the circle. Okay, great. So, we have to show the diameter is perpendicular to PQ. We know the gradient of PQ is 3 over 4. So let's go ahead and find the gradient of OS. Y2 minus Y1 again. 6 minus 2, 4. And I have 0 minus 3. It's minus 4 over 3. So, looking at these two lines and their gradients, 3 over 4 times negative 4 over 3, and we put that in brackets, is negative 1, okay, negative 1. So using the idea of m1, m2 equals to negative 1, we have shown that this line OS is perpendicular to PQ. Okay, let me just summarize that. We have the gradient of PQ, and we are trying to show that this line here is perpendicular to PQ. So all you have to do is find the gradient of OS. We found that to be negative 4 over 3, and we know when we have two lines which are perpendicular, the product of the gradients is negative 1, and so that's what I've shown here, is negative 1. Therefore, these two lines are perpendicular to each other, and we are done.